When you log into your business account at christianfinancialcu.org, you will be automatically directed to the Accounts tab. The Accounts tab includes the Accounts Overview, which includes all of the accounts that you have with Christian Financial Credit Union. For each account on the Accounts Overview, you will be able to see the account name, the last four of the account number, if there are any pending transactions, the available balance, and the current balance. In order to see a history on the account, click on the hyperlink of the account name. In order to see the statements on the account, click on Statements in the left navy blue side menu. The Statements screen will open in a separate window. Note, you may have to disable a pop-up blocker in order to view the Statements window. Navigate to the Cash Management tab to transfer from one of your accounts to another account, to transfer to an account that is not yours but is still serviced with Christian Financial Credit Union, or to access Bill Pay, the online bill payment system.